Hey guys, this is Rambo Singh here, and this is my video of how to make some lovely lamb curry quick and easy in the air fryer. First thing you need to do is actually put loads of piercings with a sharp knife onto the skin of the lamb shank. So let's go and do that. And there you go, I put loads of piercings on either sides of this lamb shank so that the masalas that we coat it up with go deep within. So let's proceed with the next step. So the next step here is to start the marination, and what you can do is use any kind of yogurt. I've used some Icelandic yogurt, 2 dollops of it to coat the lamb up with, and then we're going to coat it up with spices as we go along. So in terms of marination spices, all you need is 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, any garam masala would do, and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and salt according to your taste. So that would be your marinade. You would be adding that to the yogurt and then rubbing it in with hand. So as you can see now, we have actually coated the lamb fully with the spices, and we are going to let it rest for a moment now. The next step from here would be actually chopping 2 tomatoes, chopping 3 onions, and also using a ginger garlic paste and using 2 teaspoons of that. So there you go guys, we have nicely chopped our onions now, and also chopped the tomatoes, and the next step would be to start working on the foodie. The foodie will help us to cook this lamb to perfection. Okay guys, so here's my Ninja Foodi here, and what we're going to do is turn it on, and we're going to set it onto the saute function here. Obviously you need to remove the lid if you want to go sauteing stuff, as that would be common sense, which is not very common for me. And then obviously you want to specify the heat, and what I'd recommend is that you go nice and gentle with the heat. Let the masalas do their job, let them work slowly, let the onions brown gradually, let the meat also initially cook itself in a very gradual manner rather than going rapidly through it, because that might just burn your onions or burn the masalas, and that might actually prevent the full flavors from coming out. So there you go. So that's medium setting, and the Ninja Foodi has been turned on and it's doing its job. So once the optimum temperature has been reached, the next step would be to actually add some cumin seeds. Now what cumin does is it actually helps to tenderize the meat, so that will actually work really well. So definitely start your cooking by cooking of any lamb meat by using some of the cumin seeds. And then next step from there would be to add some onions in it and let them turn light brown. So let's work on them, and also adding some ginger and garlic paste. So now we are about 5 minutes in, and you can see that the onion has now gone completely soft. The ginger and garlic paste has been added, and you can see that we're ready to move to the next step, which is to actually add some masalas in this. So let's see what those are. So the spices that we're going to add this time around are 2 teaspoons of garam masala, 1.5 teaspoons of chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Now, turmeric has antioxidant properties. It is brilliant for you, so you maximize on that. But yeah, don't go overboard either. But there you go. Now we're going to add these onto inside the sauteed onions, which have now been cooked. So there you go. That stuff being added, and let's just stir it all in. Now what I would suggest is that once you've added in the masalas, let them work their magic for at least 2 to 3 minutes, so that the masalas have had their time on low flame to work their way into the flavors. The more patient you're going to be with this dish, the better it's going to work out to be. So now the masalas have had some time to settle in there, and the next step would be to actually add a cupful of water in there, just to ensure that we have a nice amount of water, a good amount of curry to actually put the lamb into eventually. There you go, our mixture has come to boil, and now we'll be adding the star attraction, the lamb into the boiling curry. Gosh, it's heavy. And there you go. That goes in right in there. So we'll let that cook now. This is when the magic of Ninja Foodi kicks in. We're obviously keeping it all on medium heat, but eventually what we're going to do is use the pressure cooking lid on, and we're going to go 30 minutes on high pressure and see where we get to from there. And before we start pressure cooking, we'll add another cupful of water into the curry. And then we'll be closing the lid. So the pressure cooker lid's now been added. We have now sealed the vent to ensure that no hot air leaks. We put the pressure on high, and we're gonna go 30 minutes on that. So let's give it a good 30 minutes first, and then we'll recheck on the lamb after that. Lamb can take up to 40 minutes or so to cook, but it gives us time to flip the lamb. So let's go with that now. So check it out in half an hour. Here we are, removing the pressure lid after depressurizing it, fast depressurizing it. As you can see the steam coming out, and there you go. So now we've added the tomatoes and we've flipped over the lamb, and now we're going to add some coriander, some chopped coriander to this as well, just for some added flavor, and that's it. And we'll stir it up and then pressurize the lid again for another 10 minutes and see where we go from there. 10 to 15 minutes, and this should be done. So there you go, guys. We're again going to put it on high. We're going to seal the container, put it on high, and set the timer up for 10 minutes and press start. So let it work its magic. There you go. Your 10 minutes to 15 minutes of further cooking is now done, and we remove that, and there you go. Look at this gorgeous curry that we're cooking here. So that's all done. And what we're going to do next is just add a bit of coriander on top, just to keep things going, just add some further flavor, and that's it. That's us sorted. So hope you enjoyed this, and hope you do try it at home. It's quite nice, quite easy, quite simple to make. You can try shredding this lamb whilst it's in the pot, so you can try that as well. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you do like it, do share it, and do subscribe to it. Do encourage me to make more videos. If you have got any more questions, do let me know in the comment section. Take care.